What up? It's your boy Stan Banks with T-Shirt Side Hustle. Here today to talk to you guys with a little motivational message, man. Right now, the cars is covered in snow. Just started them, cleaning the car off, and I gotta clean them off in order to head into the store today. But I wanted to talk to you guys about back when I was in the print shop every single day, and unfortunately my tripod is broke, so I gotta hold you guys at arm's length, which is kind of hard to keep. Get you guys a view of what I'm doing at the same time. First, I'm getting the snow off the car, then I'm gonna shovel around the car. So, got to get the car cleaned off, and then we can move on and get our day started. But I woke up at 12 today, last night. So I went to sleep maybe around 9:30, 10 o'clock, and I woke up at 12, and I've been working since. Right, I was working up until about 5 something. Then I got up at 7:30. And when I mean I was working, I was on here answering you guys' DMs, answering you guys' questions, responding back to your messages, talking to some of my affiliate partners who are overseas, having meetings, bouncing ideas out, understanding what I wanted to do, some storylines that I wanted to tell, thinking of content, what I needed for content. I edited a video. I did a lot of stuff this morning. In the bed at 12 o'clock. Now, as an entrepreneur, this is stuff that you're going to do, period. Right? We're going to do this, period, for our business because it's our baby, man. Sometimes you're going to wake up in the middle of the night with ideas for your business and all of that stuff. So what I encourage people to do is to understand, when I was just a worker in the print shop, even though I was having my business, my time was so consumed with printing that I wasn't really able to enjoy stuff that I was doing, right? And it made it kind of like, days like this, I wasn't even going to work. I wasn't even going to print unless I had something that was absolutely due. But usually the schools that I may have to deliver to or something like that would have been closed, and I would have had an extra day. You know what I'm saying? And you know, you can run your shop how you want to. You can run it like a 9 to 5. You know what I mean? How you doing? You got a package? All right. So you can run it like a 9 to 5, or you can, you know, run it by appointment. I've seen businesses run both ways. Doesn't mean one is right or wrong. You know, the traditional 9 to 5 manner is something that you have the option to do. But at the same time, bro, you can do whatever it is that you want to do, how you want to do it. And nobody can tell you it's wrong. As long as you satisfy, you making the money that you want to make. And, you know, if not, then you got to try some different things. But I can tell you straight up, man, if I got this much snow, it's probably about 4 or 5 inches on top of my car. The ground is kind of clear. They kind of plowed already. But if I would have got this much snow and I was a printer, back when I was just printing, I didn't enjoy it enough to get out the bed and go to work. You know what I'm saying? Like, I would just take this day off, chillax, do some computer stuff, but I wasn't getting up to go out. Man, I've been thinking about coming out here since probably 3:30 a.m. to get this snow off the car, so that I could get to this store, so I could create some content. That's how I know that what I'm doing now is walking in, is purposeful. You know, I truly enjoy it. This is how I know this is for me. Because, boy, I was ready to get up out of here. I didn't even know it was supposed to snow. I wasn't paying attention to the forecast. So I didn't know it was supposed to snow. And here I am now, cleaning off the car, getting it ready, warming it up, running the defrost, and getting all this snow off so that in about an hour, I can knock this stuff off out and get rolling. You know what I mean? What up, bro? Not much, chilling, man. Can't complain. Yeah, man. One of my my old college football teammates. That dude right there is probably the best wide receiver I've seen play played with in person. We was down one year, about 5 touchdowns, about a half. And he single-handedly, double coverage and triple coverage, brought us back in games, and I live across the street now. It's crazy. Got some more stories about that, but it's for another day. You know what I'm saying? So I just wanted to get on here and clean these cars off, shovel the snow path, and bring you guys some motivation this morning, man. Hope you guys are up grinding, can't make excuse. If you're not where you want to be, get there by any means, no matter what somebody say. You doing right, you doing wrong. If you don't feel like you where you need to be, you know, put the work in and get up early, go to bed late, crush it like Gary Vee would say, and keep in pursuit of what it is that you after. Because nobody else is going to give it to you, bring it to you, or any of that stuff. You got to keep grinding, keep hustling. And I'm going to do another mini series of this blog once I'm done. So hope you guys got my little motivation message this far. I'll be back in a second. All right, man. Got both cars cleaned off. It's nowhere, man. I do this right here. You know what I'm saying? Gotta take care of the little things so that you can do the big things that you want to do. So today, I'm super excited. And one of the reasons that I wanted to get out early. So one of the reasons I wanted to get out early and knock out the snow is because I got the Craft DTG machine from Roland today, and I'm excited about getting that thing unboxed and different things like that. Also, I got about probably 10 or so machines in the store I got about 10 of things in the store that need to be unboxed and open, man. So tomorrow, the video that you guys are gonna watch with me and my contractor, it's gonna be a cool one for the simple fact that I put him on the spot, man. So you guys stay tuned for that as I give you guys part 2 of the series about, you know, getting the store ready to be operable and stuff like that. So this is gonna be interesting, man. First and foremost, or lastly, man, I just want to let you guys know that I love what I do, man. I love you guys, and you know, I address the trolls and the haters because I got to, man. But you know, if they did what I did and they put the work in to do the things that I do, and they was up at 12 at night, 4 a.m. Working on products and marketing schemes and all of this different stuff for various products and companies and doing all of this stuff, consulting. And then not only that, if they put the time in at this level to answer every question, comment, DM that comes in the way I do, they would understand. But heavy is the head that wears the crown. For me, it's only entertainment, trust me, because you know I'm gonna keep on going to the bank. Can't discredit me, can't, you know, do all that stuff because this ain't gonna work, man. So I'm gonna keep addressing them, just so y'all know. It's just entertainment for me. But hope you guys are having a great day, a great morning. This one has nothing to do with answering a question or anything, but just a little motivation message, man. And yeah, man, hope to see you guys in a future video. It's been your boy Stan Banks with T-Shirt Side Hustle. Peace.